Guys, welcome to our tutorial on how to add GitHub issues into Basecamp's to-do list automatically. So guys, in today's fast-paced world, it's really essential to keep the track of all your tasks and projects in one place, and that's where Basecamp comes in. So Basecamp is a project management tool, and if you're also using GitHub, which is a open source repository for coders, this video is for you because here I'm going to show you how you can integrate GitHub and Basecamp to seamlessly transfer the issues that you're creating in GitHub in the to-dos of Basecamp. So if you're a coder, a developer, a project manager, or anyone who is looking for streamlining their work, stay tuned and let me show you how you can set up this automation, and we are going to set up it without any coding super simply. Let's start. So we are going to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I'm going to paste this same link in the description as well, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product, and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here guys, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as GitHub with H capital to Basecamp with C in small. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page started loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automation is based on these two things only. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the automated consequence or the response towards the trigger. So here guys, when you click on trigger, it is asking to choose the application. So here we are going to connect with the trigger application in which the trigger event is occurring. Here in our use case, GitHub will be the trigger app in which we are creating the issues. So search for GitHub here like this, and after that select the trigger event as issues. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection and then click on connect with GitHub. Okay, so it is asking to authorize Pabbly Connect, so you just have to click on authorize Pabbly, and after the other, here it is asking for the password of GitHub. So let me fill in the password here. And after filling the password, you have to confirm and you will be connected like this. Okay, right, and then it will ask for the owner's name. So this is the owner's name, select that. Then it will ask for the repository's name. So in GitHub you can create open source repositories, as you all know. So here I have created this repository Connect app. Okay, so you have to select the name here from this list. We have two repositories created. I am selecting this Connect app. Okay, then you have to click on save and send test request button to complete this connection. So when you click on save and send test request button, it will fetch some test data from GitHub and the connection will be completed. So you just have to wait for a few moments here and the response will be received here like this. Okay, so this is some kind of test or sample data we have received from GitHub. Now you have to click on this recapture webhook response button, and after that we are going to create a test or sample issue in GitHub, and the details of the issues will be fetched here like this in this response section. Okay, and with the help of that test data of our issue, we are going to move forward in this automation. So click on recapture, click on yes from here, and here you can see it started waiting for the response. Now we can perform a test submission. So I'm going to my GitHub, and this is my repository. Here I'm going to create an issues under issues section. Here let me click on new issue, and here you can type anything regarding the test issue. So I'm giving the title of the issue as test issue, and let me type a comment or description here like this. We are having some issues when connecting with GitHub. Okay, and after filling this data, just click on submit new issue button and you can see the issue is getting submitted like this. This is the test issue number 7. And as you submit this issue here, the data of this issue will be captured in your workflows response like this. You can see we got the response here, and in this data you can see the issues details like this. So when you scroll down, you will see these kind of URLs here. Okay, and in these URLs or labels, you will find the repository's name like this, the language, the repository ID, and the Git URL. Here you can see the creation date of the issue, and when you scroll down a bit more, you will find the issue title like this, the issue state, and the description or the comment of the issue. This is the issue body. Okay, now having collected the data of the issue, we want to create a to-do in Basecamp. For that, use this action step and here search for Basecamp. Here it is selected. Then you have to select the action event as create to do, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Basecamp. Okay, so it will ask for integrate with Pabbly. Here you have to click on yes, I allow access, and you can see we are getting connected with Basecamp. The authorization is successful. Okay, and here it is asking to select the account name. So the name of my account is Pabbly. Okay, and the project's name is Pabbly Video. Okay, so you have to select it from this given list. Here it is asking for the list ID where you want to place this issue. So to find this list ID, you have to open the list in Basecamp. So you can see this is my list. We have two lists here. First is content writing task list. Okay, so you just have to click on this list, and here you can see in the top search bar, the last portion here, this string of integers is actually the list ID. Okay, so you just have to copy this string and you have to paste it here in this list ID field like this. And in the name, you can map the name of the to-do on the name of the issue that you have. And here we have the issue name in the first step in the response. So you'll find the issue name here like this in the issue title label. So I'm going to map this label here in this field. For that, you just have to click here and the previous step will appear like this. And when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So from here, you just have to search for the issue title and you have to map it like this. Okay. For the description, use the same way and find the description. Not the repository description, but the body of the issue. Here is the issue body. If you have the due date, you can map the due date here. If you want to assign this to any person, you can enter the assignee ID here. Okay, so from the people's list, you can get the ID and place it here, but these are not the compulsory fields. So I'm just leaving these things blank for now. You can add these things. Okay, and now you can check your connection with Basecamp by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. Okay, and a new to-do will be created in this list. Let me show you how. So I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request here. And this is the response we have received here. Let me show you the list now. If we got a new to-do, and let me just refresh the list. And here you can see we got a new issue here titled as test issue, and when you open it, you can see the note in the or the description. We are having some issues when connecting with GitHub. This is the same description and same issue that we got here in GitHub, and now it is under the to-do in Basecamp. Okay, so this is how you can connect GitHub with Basecamp. So we are done making the connection. and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, guys, whenever you are going to create an issue in GitHub, the Basecamp's to-do will be created automatically, and you can synchronize the working of these two applications for you, and you do not have to manually copy and paste the data anymore. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I am going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.